Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, February 24th. Today I'm going to read an essay from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that is titled Let There Be Light. And then, as always, we'll do a short reflection around it. The poet Goethe says, "Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live. Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live." When Edison was discovering the light bulb, he first engaged in the process of envisioning how an unseeable current of energy could be harnessed and turned into light. Like most of us, the vision came first. Once he understood what came to him, it took quite some time to find the precise material that would work as a filament in the bulb itself. Later, when asked if he ever grew discouraged or thought he was wasting his time, Edison said no. He learned something important each time he tried. He learned that there was another material not to be used. The lessons here are very telling and transferable, especially to how we seek our calling in the world and to how we seek out love. To be willing to envision what we need is powerful and real. And just as crucial is the confidence of spirit to know that it will work, even though we haven't found where we belong or whom to love yet. Equally as vital is the perseverance in trying to find precisely what will work. But perhaps the most inspiring part of Edison's journey is how he did not view his many attempts as any type of failure on his part, but rather as an inevitable part of the process of discovery. Finally, after all of this, we are challenged, scientist and lover alike, to use what we discover and live in the light. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath natural, nice and soft. Finding a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, a sense of freedom. Allowing all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now from this place of spaciousness, the place of openness of your being, envision what it is that you need to live more fully. As you reflect on this, notice what starts happening in your body, your heart, your mind. What physical sensations arise? What thoughts, emotions come up? Simply breathe and connect to all of this as fully as you can. No judgment, just gentle, kind attention to yourself and your needs. I'll be quiet for about a minute to let you connect directly with all of this. Now take a few deep breaths in and out, in and out. And on your next inhale, commit to trying to find this today. What do I need to live more fully? Inhale. What do I need to live more fully? And as you exhale, commit to making use of whatever it is you discover, even if it seems small, insignificant, or too fantastical, undoable. No judgment. What do I need to live more fully? And as you exhale, commit to making use of whatever you discover. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, send that energy of loving kindness to yourself for being here, for doing this reflection. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I find what I need to live more fully. May I commit to make use of my discoveries. May I know deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body, noticing what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection without any judgment. Commit to finding out what it is you need to live more fully. Remember, it does not matter if it seems silly or fantastical or insignificant. Just go with what comes up for you and enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.